What's up, everybody? It is Orange Track Outlaws again, and it is race night. I'd like to welcome you guys for another action-packed evening of Hot Wheels racing. I got another list of cars lined up here. All newbies. Well, except for the two over there, fresh out of the pack. Randomly picked. And we're going to see who the fastest one here is. We're going to run down them here real quick, but we got the old Batmobile, Camaro, 24/7. Oh, Toy Story car. What we got here? Ooh, that's Dodge Dart. Got the Tinker. Let's see, we got an NSX right there. Got a Little Red Express right there. Thunderbird. Corvette Grand Sport. 32 Ford. Got here. We got the Volkswagen Golf. We got the Mazda RX-7. The Mountain Hauler. 1970 Ford Escort. We got the Hollinator. With the GT40. That's pretty cool in there. We got the Porsche 918 Spider. Here we go. Got ourselves a mystery car. We got a little Lotus Project M250. Here's one of the special ones. Last two races have been back-to-back number ones. This is another one of this series here. This series has really proven to be fast so far. So tonight we're going with the McDonald's car. This one I've seen a couple videos about. It's supposed to be very, very fast. We'll find out here in a little bit. Moving on. Got the Greenwood Corvette. Got the Tesla Roadster. This guy. What is that thing? Oh, that's a Lambo. What am I thinking? Got the Lambo. Got the McLaren P1. Got a new one here, the McLaren Speedtail. Got ourselves a Matchbox Plymouth Barracuda. We got a Project Speeder in all gold. We got another Matchbox here, Lamborghini Gallardo Police. We got one of the Redline editions, Corvette, middle base. It's heavy, nice car, should be fast. Got the 92 Mustang. Got a Chevy Impala race car here. Got a newer car here, the Nash. Pretty cool looking car. We'll see how fast he's gonna go. Let's see, we got the Formula Solar. When I picked this guy, because look how skinny those wheels are. Less friction, should go fast. Hopefully she rolls good. And lastly here, got Ferrari with the Ultra Hots. Should be a pretty cool car. Metal base. It's nice and heavy. I'm thinking this one might go pretty good as long as it rolls good. Previously open though. Then we got the Jaguar J220 in red with the green Ultra Hot wheels. Pretty cool car there. Plastic base on this guy, but the J220s, you know, are all fast. So here we go. Good look at our cars here. How about we open this one here right quick just to see what our mystery car is going to be. Yeah, of course it wants to fight. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it looks like it's the GTO Judge. Pretty sweet looking car here as it is. Convertible GTO Judge. Let's hope that guy's fast. But anyway, here's our cars. We're gonna get these unboxed. We're gonna get them sorted up, and we're gonna get them on the line and get them going. So we'll be back in a second. We'll be ready to race. Hang on. Okay guys, race one is up and ready. In lane one, we got the Volkswagen Golf GTI. In lane 2, we got the Dodge Little Red Express. In lane 3, we got the Mazda RX-7. Lane 4, we got the Nash. Lane 5, we got the McLaren P1. In lane 6, we got the 92 Mustang. Who are we picking here? Who do we think it's going to be? I really don't know. I think I'm going to go with lane 6 with that 92 Mustang. Let's race. Okay, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Wow, that was a slow one. Little Red Express.
Lane 2.
Oh. Wow, that was a slow one. Little Red Express.
Lane 2.
Okay, race 2 is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the McDonald's race car. Lane 2, Acura NSX. Lane 3, we got the T-Bird. Lane 4, we got the Matchbox 1970 Barracuda. In lane 5, we got the Ford GT40. In lane 6, we got the Ferrari Testarossa with the Ultra Hot Wheels. This looks like a pretty good looking race. Who do we like here? It's going to be hard to go against lane 1 there. These race cars have been super fast, so I'm going lane 1. Let's race. Okay, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, look at that McDonald's car fast.
Winner. Lane 1.
Oh yeah, look at that McDonald's car fast.
Winner. Lane 1.
Okay, race 3, up and ready. Lane 1, we got the 68 Dodge Dart. In lane 2, we got the McLaren Speedtail. Lane 3, 32 Ford. Lane 4, we got the Project Speeder. In lane 5, we got the Tesla Roadster. In lane 6, we got the 2018 Camaro SS. Who you picking here? Who's going McLaren? Who's going Dodge Dart? I don't know who to pick here. This should be a good one. I think I'm gonna go with that Camaro. Lane 6 for me. Let's race. Okay, race number 3. 3, 2, 1. Camaro is out. Yeah.
Winner. Lane 6.
Camaro is out. Yeah.
Winner. Lane 6.
Okay, race 4 up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Hollinator. Lane 2, we got the Corvette Grand Sport with the FTE wheels. In lane 3, we got the Formula Solar with the skinny wheels. Lane 4, we got the Lambo Countach. In lane 5, we got the 2010 Chevy Impala. In lane 6, we got the Batmobile. Who do we like here? This could be a good one here. We've got FTE wheels, we've got some skinny wheels, we've got a really heavy Lambo. I think I'm going to go lane 2 with the Corvette, FTE style. Let's race. Okay, race 4. 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at that Impala's out big.
Winner. Lane 5.
Wow, look at that Impala's out big.
Winner. Lane 5.
Okay, race 5, ready to go. Lane 1, we got the Mountain Mauler. Lane 2, we got the Lotus Project M250. Lane 3, we got the Matchbox Lamborghini Gallardo Police Edition. Lane 4, Lane 4, we got the Peterbilt tanker truck. In lane 5, we have the Porsche 918 Spyder. In lane 6, we got the Jaguar J220 with the green Ultra Hot Wheels. Who do we like here? Think that tanker's gonna make it? Lambo, Lotus? I don't know. I think I'm gonna go lane 6 with the Jaguar. Those are fast. Hope this one is too. Lane 6 for me. Let's race. Okay, race 5. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Jaguar! Look at that tanker truck! Wow!
Winner! Lane 4!
It was the tanker. Oh, Jaguar! Look at that tanker truck! Wow!
Winner! Lane 4!
It was the tanker. Okay, race 6, up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Corvette C6R with the red line wheels. Lane 2, we got the Buzz Lightyear. Lane 3, we got the 76 Greenwood Corvette. In lane 4, we got the 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge. In lane 5, we got the Hot Wheels 24/7. In lane 6, we got the 1970 Ford Escort. What do we like here? Judge is a cool car. Corvette's a cool car. I don't know who to pick. I think I'm gonna go lane 1 with the Corvette. It's all metal. It's kind of heavy. Let's see how she rolls. Let's race. Okay, race 6. 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at Buzz Lightyear.
Winner! Lane 2!
Wow, look at Buzz Lightyear.
Winner! Lane 2!
Okay, finals time. Who's it gonna be? Lane 1, Buzz Lightyear. Lane 2, we got the Peterbilt tank truck. Lane 3, we got the Camaro. Lane 4, we got the McDonald's race car. Lane 5, we got the Little Red Express. And lane 6, we got the Hot Wheels race car. What was that guy? Can't remember. Oh, Chevy Impala. My bad. Sorry. Chevy Impala. Lost my thought there for a minute. Okay, here we go. Who we taking? Got some fast cars here. I don't know. Who's going to go against that McDonald's race car? Last 2 races, same series, have been fast cars, so that guy there is going to be hard to beat. So let's go lane 4, Mickey D's. Let's race. Okay, finals race. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the Dallas car's out big. Wow, that first fast. Woo.
Winner! Lane 4!
Oh, the Dallas car's out big. Wow, that first fast. Woo.
Winner! Lane 4!
Okay, guys, here's tonight's champion in lane 1, the McDonald's 97 race car, going against our current number 1 champ in lane 2, the Hot Wheels number 44 race car from the same series. These are some fast cars. I don't know. We're going to have a new number 1 tonight. I think it's possible. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, here we go. The current champ versus tonight's champ. Will we have a new number 1? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, couldn't do it.
Winner! Lane 1!
Oh, it did say lane 1. Wow. Oh, couldn't do it.
Winner! Lane 1!
Oh, it did say lane 1. Alright guys, tonight we crowned a new champion. We got the McDonald's number 97 race car. So this is really proving to be a great series of cars here. Last 3 races, they've all had a car in this series, and each time we've had a new champ. These are some super fast cars, and we have probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 more of them to try out still, so stay tuned for those. But tonight, it's the McDonald's car as our current champ. Fun race night, guys. I want to thank you guys for tuning in again to another race night. Should have another one ready to go here pretty soon. But in the meantime, please check out my other videos. Check out some of the cool restorations, some of the cool customs I've done. Got some real cool challenge builds with the 3 blind mice and some others. Check those guys out. Good stuff right there. So if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And please click that thumbs up and keep on watching, and I appreciate it. I want to thank you guys again, and stay tuned. And Orange Track Outlaws. See ya.